Yo guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we got quite a few cars to go through, but the main one is Charles's 991.1 Turbo S. So that's had some upgrades to take it up to an ES800 package. It's not our complete package, it still has some other parts that were on there before we purchased the car. However, we put our hybrids on it, our exhaust, intake pipes, meth injection, and our ECU map and TCU map. We'll go into that later. Anyways, there's loads more to come. Keep watching and stay tuned.
Come on, bro.
Oh, man.
I've got to hold it like this, yeah?
Easy, bro, easy. What's the daddy saying? I got to comb it. You look alright.
Surprised you don't have it with you.
Bro, you're lucky, guys. You know, I only started combing it recently. So basically, guys, my name's Cass. I manage the projects here at ESMOTOR. I like to hope I'm doing a good job. As you can see, every week when we put out a new video, that there's some results behind it. I'm the kind of guy that's getting all the parts in and making sure all the customers are happy. But they're forcing me to do this. I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to do this, but I'm being forced to do it.
I don't know what he's doing half the time.
Yeah.
We just felt really sorry for him, so we just employed him.
It is what it is, man. Do you know what I mean? So, as you can tell, I'm the life and soul of the party here at ES. Also, one thing I would like to... you know what, one second. I'd like to introduce to us, to our newest members of staff, Hasbi. Hasbi, say Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. We're having fun down at ES, man. Keep locked in, keep subscribing, and keep watching the videos. We appreciate you guys. Take care. Hasbi, let's go.
Alright, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Over here behind me, we have Charles's car. It's a Porsche 911 991 Mark 1, and we're going to do a ES800 kit and lowering springs. So let's get on with this and see what power we make.
The next day.
Right guys, so one other 992 we currently have in is Rob's stunning shark blue one. That's in for a little bit of work. It's running our ES750 package, which is pure bolt-on stock turbos. It made around about 745 at the wheels, which is, yeah, it's just amazing. It's a very, very quick car and it looks stunning. And it's the same color as Jamie's. As you guys might have seen, Jamie has bagged himself a 992 Turbo S, so congrats bro, epic car, and yeah, we can't wait to join you on that journey. So that car, we've got some really special plans for that as well. It's obviously going to go through all the stages that we've got, so all you guys that are following the 992 tuning platform, make sure you follow that car, because we're going to put that through its paces on each stage, just to show you exactly what's possible with this platform, because this platform's epic. It's an awesome platform. The power that you get for the mods involved and what Emre's been developing on this stuff, and the 992 in general, is amazing. It's out of this world. It's such a good car. So yeah, make sure you keep watching and stay tuned for that, because that journey is going to be crazy. Yeah, a little bit, yeah. 452 then on Charles's 901.1. It's good numbers for a full weight car as well.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it made 780 odd at the wheels, so pretty much bang on with those figures. I guess if it had our full kit, we could probably...
Yeah, I reckon it'd go down to like a 4.3.
Yeah, something like that, yeah. But I mean, I guess it's probably the limit of the...
It's the limit in the tyres as well.
Top clutches, tyres and stuff like that as well, so it all takes effect. But it's good setup that for the road, right?
Fully weighted.
Oh yeah, baby seat in the back as well.
And a baby seat in the back.
Charles, we couldn't take it out, mate. The ISOFIX was too hard. So Charles's ES800, you can see the final figures over here. So it was 787 horsepower at the wheels and 648 foot-pound of torque. And you can see there that the graph, the power delivery is just epic. You know, it comes in, it's very, very linear, and the torque, as soon as it comes in, it's just completely flat and it holds it all the way through. So you've got 600 foot-pound of torque from the whole rev range as soon as it comes on boost at 4,000 RPM, full boost, and then yeah, that holds that right to the red line. So that's 925 horsepower at the crank, which is epic for stock engine, stock clutch. The clutch will adapt a little bit more with more miles on the car, and yeah, he's still got his baby seat in the back. But it's a full weight car, pan roof, stock wheels, the lot, with a bit of weight reduction. Like on some other cars, they've got lighter wheels, maybe no pan roof, a lighter battery or titanium exhaust. They can knock off a good few tenths of a second. You can get them down to like a 4.2, or maybe a little bit below as well. So, but yeah, no, very happy with that. It's going to be a weapon, so Charles, stay safe, drive it safe, mate. It's going to definitely be a weapon for the road.
Oh, my meth kit's a bit bait, innit?
Where?
The fucking...
The gauge.
Yeah.